How to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. So if you want to fix your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application. After opening the Roblox, you need to go with more, which will be in the bottom. And from more, you need to just simply scroll down and then you need to go with settings. Now under settings, you need to go with privacy and content restrictions. From there, you will have communication option. Tap on communication and then you will have experience chat, party, or you may also have an option of camera input. So you need to just simply click on experience chat option. And here you got to make sure that both of these options are turned on. In my case, only one is turned on. So you need to turn on the option of direct chat too. Make sure they are on everyone. Then go back and click on the party section. Tap on it. And then click on the connections. Make sure both party and group party are on connections. And once done, you should see that your issue of your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in your Roblox will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.